going on, you guys? It's your girl Lady Adri back with another video.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Purge. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do it.
Today is a transparent moment for me. And I think I was kind of nervous to kind of open up about this. I don't want to say about the topic because I've done like weight loss things on my channel, but because like I fail, I don't stick with it, I'm not consistent, it's like something has to change somewhere. And that's like me speaking to myself like, Adriana, something has to change. So today I went grocery shopping and today we're meal prepping, and hopefully I can bring you guys weekly videos on my meal prepping because I want to be consistent. And now that I'm like being super consistent in YouTube, and thank you, first of all, thank you to my new like over 100 subscribers for January. So from December to January, like end of December to now end of January, I have gotten over 100 subscribers in 1 month. That is like mind-blowing to me. Y'all keep coming. I love you guys. Thank you so much. But so I'm just gonna bring you through what I got from the grocery store today, and then we're gonna cook it up and we're gonna meal prep it. And yes, I might be talking like throughout the video so y'all can kind of know more about my weight loss journey. But we're doing something super simple. So I have spinach, a lot of spinach, chicken thighs, I have some lemons and some limes. I'm gonna do the Profi thing. I've never done them before, so I want to try out the Profi. So I got Premier Protein Caramel with the medium blonde roast Starbucks coffee, which I love on a regular. Got some almond milk for my protein shakes. I got some jasmine rice, olive oil, vegetable oil. I'm also making, I'm making cilantro lime rice like Chipotle. And then I'm also making Chipotle's vinaigrette, which I do all the time because it's so good. So we're gonna make some of that. I am making my chicken jerk. I know I just made jerk chicken, y'all, but I love jerk chicken. I did pick up some caramel for my Profi and some honey because this goes into the dressing with some Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. So that's what we're doing today. I am gonna change first so I can get out of these clothes, get into something more comfortable, take off my jewelry so we can get down to business. Just continue to watch if you want to watch my meal prep. Hey ladybugs, welcome back to my channel. I am sharing this meal prep with you guys because I need to become more consistent in my weight loss journey and kind of being more open with that, just because I feel like me posting will keep me consistent and keep me on track. But I'm starting with something simple. This is my first week, so the week of, what is it, the 30th, this is what I was meal prepping for. And I did good. Like today, about to post this video. Today is Wednesday, February 1st. So we're doing good so far. Of course, in my next video, I'll kind of update, you know, how my week has gone. But today we're making a simple jerk chicken with cilantro lime rice and sauteed spinach. So I wanted to start off the week super simple, and I did mention the Profi, which is my first time doing that. So it was medium roast, not medium blonde, because medium and blonde are two separate things, child. I just meant to say medium roast. So I'm doing protein shakes. I really don't snack, and I guess it can either hurt me or not. I don't really know yet, but so far so good.
Like it when you don't hesitate when you write it. Get it 'cause you want, like it. Making up a day for you write it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Just when it's just to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. That's when it's just to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you island. This type shit have you island. That's when it's just to the island. Drip, drip. Dip, dip when you slide it. Dip, 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 dip.
So who is gonna tell me about the Instant Pot? Literally, I've had this thing for, I don't know, 2 years, and it's my first time pulling it out, and I'm not going back to the regular way of making rice. Like, I don't know if y'all know this, I probably never mentioned it, but my mom is Puerto Rican, and Spanish rice is a thing, but I'm no longer making rice on the stove. It's definitely Instapot for me. Now, I had malfunctions because I didn't know how to use it, and I had threw all the paperwork away. It's actually somewhere. I do still have it, but y'all, when was y'all gonna tell me about the Instant Pot? So my thought process behind plating was that I wanted high veggie, high protein. So I think next time around I may have to get like 3 packs of spinach. And you guys seen how big the containers were of spinach, but I know it does cook down. So I packed my meals that I was taking to work with veggies. I packed them with chicken heavily, which you'll see when I get there. But I think next time I might either have to get veggies to snack on throughout the day or something, even though, again, I'm not a snacker, but something has to give.
No, they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around the time. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. She been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she getting straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night, the movie getting mad.
Okay, y'all, so this vinaigrette. So this is the honey vinaigrette, and I don't even know if that's the actual name, but the vinaigrette that they use at Chipotle. So I have asked the restaurant the ingredients for this, but I've also Googled it. Now, measurements, I do not follow measurements anymore. I literally just start pouring stuff and just try it out for taste, mix whatever I think it needs, but it just has the chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, some red wine vinegar. I use olive oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil. You can use sunflower oil. Do whatever you want as far as the oil. It has honey, some oregano, pepper, and a little bit of water. Like, this is so simple and it's so good.
Long as I get paid, that little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and down. This way, doing all these shows, living on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and down. This way, doing all these shows, living on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
So I decided to add a clip of me making the Profi, which is only protein coffee. And you can make this different. So you can do a shot of some simple syrup. That was a tongue twister. Some simple syrup. You know how they sell the French vanilla shots or whatever. You can definitely put that in there. But to kind of keep it lower on the calories, I wasn't doing much. And I already had the caramel in there drizzled on the cup. So just read like what you're putting in. I believe 2 tablespoons is 100 calories. And then I only put half of the Premier Protein in there. You can put some whipped cream on the top. You can blend this up with some ice instead of just doing a cold coffee. And shake it up if you like. And since this was the next morning, I just went ahead and kind of recorded the start of my morning. Let me know if y'all want me to do like a work from home routine, because I've always wanted to do one. And moving, I wanted to do like a desk setup and all that. I actually still have the footage of it. I just, because it's taken way too long for me to finish my office, I'm putting that video on hold. But I'm just kind of showing y'all what I do while I start my morning, drinking this protein and everything. I'm just trying to get in the groove for this Monday morning. I always listen to service if I miss it, or if it's that good that I want to listen to it again, I will throw it on. And then I just try to organize my my calendar and my emails before I get started on my day, before my morning meeting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notification bells for when I'm posting. So thank you so much for watching the first part of my weight loss journey. There is more to come, I promise. Ladybugs, thank you for being a part of my tribe, because I have so much to offer. So I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.